standing in the heart of Nalanda Mahavihara, once a world-renowned university where scholars from Tibet, China, Korea and even Persia used to study over 15 years ago. These are the paths where thousands of students and scholars used to walk, discussing philosophy, medicine and astronomy. Let me show you the beauty behind me. This behind me is a worshipping area, or you may say a temple side area, and that area is also kind of temple, and that way the scholars used to study and meditate. So I will show you everything here. Be continued with me. And these are the place where student might and teacher might be used to meditate. This used to be a temple, I guess, kind of. It is locked. Some of few coins are thrown inside. I don't know who and why they throw these coins. Guys, this beautiful place is spread over a large area. Not possible for me to film all the place, but I will show you some beautiful places like this, and this, and I will show you the library which was burnt by Bakhtiyar Khilji, which burnt till months. I don't know how months did it flamed, but I will show you the place. This is also a temple beside me, guys. Temple number 12, and you may see behind me. The experience of mine here is quite great. I would highly recommend you to visit this place if you are in Bihar or ever want to be in Bihar. Add this place to your bucket list of Bihar exploration. And I am very glad today. I made my day, and the weather today is very beautiful. I have been here for 2 times, and the first time when I came I was around 16-year-old and it started raining, and the second time I was 17. I came with my father. And guys, here we come to a hall-like structure. This seems to be a place where students used to it's like a ground, and these small cubes are the rooms. It's a hostel, I guess, where students used to study, and this is the ground for them, common ground like we have in our college or hostel. And this is the stage where yoga teacher or something like that used to demonstrate, and the students from there used to follow, or there might be a speech, meeting, anything could be possible here. It again started little rain, guys. We'll see some sort of places and then we'll move to the museum. After that we'll head back to home. It's temple number 13. Guys, we have almost explored everything. This is not a small place that I can film everywhere. It is a huge place. Last I will show you the library which Bakhtiyar Khilji has burnt. The library was the place which I introduced as a temple. The library was situated between with temple. So now I will show you the library which burnt for many days, months, I guess, and later I will show you the museum and we'll head back home. Guys, these are Acharya Peeth, the cabin of professors. The Acharya of this university used to live in this. This block is dedicated to them, and we are being back. To our library. This temple here itself attached with library, guys, and these are the part of library which burnt for many months. Now we are heading back to the museum, so let's be there. Guys, it started raining and we are heading towards Nalanda Museum. Let me show you things around. Seems like it's closed. It seems like it's closed. Let me ask some few people what's going on there. Here we got to know that Nalanda Museum will remain closed from 8th March of 2024 to further notice. So we are disappointed. This is closed, and this is the only chance I had to visit Nalanda Museum. I don't know when I will be back and visit this Nalanda Museum. Guys, Nalanda Museum is closed and it is a little raining, so we are heading back to home. We'll have some ice cream that I'm not gonna show in this vlog. So see you in next vlog. Do subscribe and see you again.